I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your mobile number from EE to Vodafone, follow these simple steps to make the process smooth. Step 1. Check your eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure your EE account is active and not in debt. If your account is suspended or you owe money, you may face issues. Step 2. Request a PSE code. Contact EE to request a porting authorization code PSE. You can do this via the customer service line or through the EE app. The PSE is usually valid for 30 days. Step 3. Sign up with Vodafone. Once you have your PSE, go to Vodafone's website or visit a store to sign up for a new plan. Provide your PSE during the sign-up process to initiate the number transfer. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. After submitting your PSE, Vodafone will handle the transfer. You should receive a confirmation message once your number is successfully ported, typically within a few hours to a day. Step 5. Test your new SIM. Once you receive confirmation, insert your new Vodafone SIM card into your phone. Make a test call or send a text to ensure your number has been successfully ported. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Vodafone customer support for assistance. Good luck with your new service.